Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. So I want to give an update on my plants. It's February 3rd, 2019. Okay, so it's been right at 2 weeks since I started my seeds, and I've got a little bit of almost everything come up so far. I've got in the sprout here, up here in the very front, I've got King Star Yellow Pumpkin on the right, Orange Ghost from White Hot Peppers on the left. In the middle. On the left, coming up is a Reaper Cross of Moruga. Next row left is King Star Starwatcher Hornet. Chocobula SM strain in the middle. 7-Pot West right here. And this purple one here on the right is a Purple Pumpkin. One next to it is a Reaper that just came up. On the very back, Lycium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Red, Banda Majok Red, and a 7-Pot Lucy on the right. And this next one on the left is a White Hot Lime. So on the bounty I've got this couple Dowdle coming up, Rich Tea Scorpion, 7-Pot Peach, and this is a Peach Starkist from King. Over there is a Leviathan Gnarly Scorpion. Over here is a White Hot Pepper Scotch Bonnet 2. And there, I can't see it from this angle, but there's an orange ribbon coming up there. And that's a Lemon Starburst from King Star. In the DIY system, I've got Gochu coming up. Sweet Christmas, which is a Blue Christmas crossed with Stavros F2. No tie hasn't come up. This is a King Star White Tie. Fish Pepper. Hot Banana has not come up yet. Cedrino. Blue Christmas down there. This is Chinzo. Stargazer from King Star. Shishito. Okay, that's Shishito crossed with Stavros. That's my cross. That's Criolla de Cucina. Ahi Lemon Drop peeking out. So I've got a lot of these came up with extras, and some I was able to extract and some I wasn't, but I got 14 extras total. So this is like an extra Purple Pumpkin, Fish Pepper, Cedrino, and you can kind of see I've just kind of got them spread around. These are two Scorpion Peppers sprouted. I'm still waiting on the Lycium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Mustard back there. And I've got some succulents King sent me. The things from his plants, and these some of them were cutting, some had roots already, so I'm kind of leaving them alone to let them see how they do. And this is some of my own witch oregano. It's a semi-succulent, and these rooted, and I've got them in wicking cups. So yeah, so this is just a quick update. I wanted to show you, I've got probably like at least 80% of my seeds have come up in 2 weeks, maybe a little more, and then some of those I got multiples. So I'll show you another update in 2 more weeks. I'm still working on some other videos, kind of going along with like how I built this system. I'll have that up soon, hopefully. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.